In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to zip files in Google Drive. Let's start right inside your Google Drive. Go ahead and open Drive in your browser and navigate to the folder that contains the files you want to compress. Take a moment to make sure you can see all the files you want to include. You can select multiple files at once by holding down the Control key on Windows or the Command key on a Mac while clicking each file. If you want everything in a folder, you can also click and drag to highlight them, or select the entire folder instead. Once your files are selected, right-click on one of them. A menu will appear with several options. Look for the option that says Download and click it. When you do this, Google Drive automatically starts preparing a zip file that contains all the files or folders you selected. You might see a small status window at the bottom of your screen showing that it's compressing those items. The more files you've selected and the larger they are, the longer this process may take, so give it a little time. When Drive is done compressing, your browser will begin downloading a single zip file to your computer. You don't need to do anything special here, just let the download finish. By default, most browsers save this file to your Downloads folder, unless you've changed your settings. Next, you'll want to locate that zip file on your computer. Open your File Manager. On Windows, that's File Explorer. On a Mac, that's Finder. Navigate to your Downloads folder or the folder where your browser saves downloaded files. Look for a file with a zip extension, usually named after the first file or folder you selected, or something similar. If you downloaded many files at once, it might have a generic name, but it will still be a zip file. Now, if your goal is to store or share that zip file back in Google Drive, you can upload it just like any other file. Go back to your Drive in the browser. You can simply drag the zip file from your desktop or File Manager window directly into the Drive window, and you should see an upload indicator appear. Alternatively, click the New button in the top left corner of Drive, choose File Upload, and then browse to that zip file on your computer. Select it and confirm, and Drive will upload the zip file for you to store, share, or keep as a backup.